Does your week start on the wrong day in Samsung calendar? You can change which day appears first in the calendar. Let me show you how. First, open Samsung calendar app. Tap the menu icon at the top left. Then tap the settings icon. Now tap first day of the week. Here you have 4 options: local default, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. By default, local default is selected. This means Samsung calendar follows the default first day of the week for your region. For this example, let's choose Monday. This can be useful if you organize your work, school, or weekly schedule from Monday through Sunday. That's it. Go back to save the change. As you can see, Samsung calendar will now display Monday as the first day of the week. And that's how to change the first day of the week in Samsung calendar on the Galaxy S26 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.